Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐠 and today's video is sponsored by RPGHair. This unit is their 13 by 6 lace frontal unit and it has a kinky edges, okay, and this lace is an invisible HD lace. Okay, you guys are going to see how gorgeous this lace blend and melt, and also how beautiful the hairline looks, so realistic and very natural. Okay, so I'm going to start with this installation now and let you guys watch this whole process of how I install this unit from RPGHair. And also, if you're interested in getting this unit, I'm going to leave all details in my description box for you guys, including my discount code, so you guys can save some money while shopping for this wig from RPGHair, guys.
It's all about how you were with my parents. Yeah, and changed their mind. Cause you were sweet and looking like you care, boy. That was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, I caught feelings, how could these feelings? Won't leave my mind. When I'm with you, yeah, nothing really matters. Don't need money or time. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got feelings, I got these feelings. I got those feelings, I got feelings, I got those feelings. These feelings.
The lace just melts and blends so well. The hairline is realistic, very natural, and it looks like it's growing from my head, guys.
I want you to come over. I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, call me a fan. I'm living, give me your hand. I'm in it, yeah. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be.
It looks like it's my natural hair, guys, and I love how well this unit is. This is 150 density. It's a perfect density for this unit, and the lace, the hairline, like everything came perfectly in place.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. I feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you.
This is how gorgeous this unit looks on me. Like, it is so realistic, so natural, and you guys, you want to get this unit for yourself. Okay, I'm going to leave all details in my description box for you guys because I love this unit a lot, and I'm also going to leave my discount code in the description box for you guys as well. Guys, this unit is a must have. Like, if you're looking for that wig that is easy to install, very natural, and as good quality, guys, this unit is definitely for you. Please grab this unit and you will thank me later for it. Okay, like, you don't need to do any work with this unit. It's one of the easiest kind of wig to install. Okay, the lace has already been bleached, the hairline came perfectly plucked. You don't need to do any plucking again. So grab this unit and just install it and you're good to go. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
It's all about how you were with my parents. Yeah, and changed their mind. Cause you were sweet and looking like you cared, boy. That was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, how could these feelings?